Cool. I got all my suspension done. Raptor Performance Group 5 link that I installed. I wish I could have done a video of the install itself, but I was learning as I went. It was hard in the beginning, but after I figured it out, it's went much smoother, but looks really good. I like how it matches the Fox shocks. Anyways, I don't have much room to do the filming, so it's not going to come out that cool. But anyway, I like it. It looks good. It was fun to put in. And I'll post this just for anyone who wants to take a look at it. That top bolt I had to cut off, and then they send the replacement grade 8 bolt for the top link. But other than that, looks really nice. I like the American flag, made in the USA. Hopefully it will stay that way. But then I have the rear diff, aluminum RPG, Fox orange that I gotta put on. But anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. But now, that's my 22 Raptor with the 5 link on. Next, I'm going to be putting on the upper control arms and a tie rod kit for the front. Anyway, cool. Just posting for fun.